Okay, guys, so I went to Barnes& and Noble on what holiday just passed? Not New Year's. On um the holiday before New Year's. Sorry. And I bought a book. And so I'm going to see. It just arrived, and I want to show you, if I can ever get this open, what book this is. Oh my god, the struggle is real. Okay, one sec, intermission. Okay, so here we have the Barnes& and Noble exclusive edition of Chain of Gold by Cassandra Clare. This is the first book in the Last Hours trilogy, which is her, I want to say her second to last series. And how much you want to bet that this quote is from James or Magnus? This definitely seems like something that Magnus would say. And it is just, look at this book. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this book. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Just look at this. I do not get a lot of books that are special editions. So this makes me really happy. Like, I remember I practically screamed when I got what was it? Queen of Air and Darkness, the third book uh in her Dark Artifact series, which, by the way, is my OTP. Absolutely, like, my favorite book series of all time. Ooh, it has a little bookmark ribbon thing. That's so cool. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's so cool. Yay, I love it. Now I can stop losing bookmarks. Yay. Anyway, I when I got that book, I was so happy because it has illustrated it was an illustrated edition, like a first printing, and it had all of these like artwork and like posters and stuff of the characters in the series, and it was so pretty. I was so happy. Like, not a lot of my books are super fancy, and this is just like so pretty. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. I cannot wait to get this started. Yay! This is gonna be so fun. I can't wait.